Welcome to another video walk around here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2009 Chrysler Town & Country with some great exterior features that include rear bumper sensors, roof rails, and 17-inch wheels. Entering the vehicle, we have our key with our lock and unlock. Taking a first look inside, you have beige leather interior. This Chrysler also comes equipped with a power moonroof and memory seat adjustments. Taking a seat in the vehicle and looking at the steering wheel, down below on the right side here, we have our cruise control. This Chrysler comes with 209,000 kilometers. Over in the middle on your touchscreen, you have your AM/FM radio along with your navigation and a backup camera. Right below that, we have our tri-zone climate controls, followed by your heated seat buttons and your DVD player options down below. We also have two pull-out cup holders and your outlets at the bottom. Up above your rear view mirror, you have these buttons here to open each of the rear doors along with your power liftgate. For easy access to your rear seats, you can use the convenient button located on your key fob. Taking a look at our second row here, we've got more beige interior. Up above, you have two DVD players, followed by your third set of climate controls for your rear passengers. For access to the third row, all you have to do is lift up on this tab here and the seat will fold forward. You also have outlets and your headphone plugins on the side. This Town & Country also comes equipped with a power liftgate. Once that's open, you can see we have a ton of storage space with the third row seats folded up, but if you're hauling larger items or just need the extra room, the third row easily folds down. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2009 Chrysler Town & Country with some great interior features that include two DVD players, heated seats, navigation, along with power sliding rear doors and a rear liftgate. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.